calligraphy is a real leveller. It can be done by the young and the old. And we take advantage of that at our parent and child workshops. Families come and learn to letter together. In fact, it's the children that often pick it up much quicker. Calming, isn't it? Yeah.
That's the carrot cake, or salted caramel.
And we're going to introduce loads of colour, loads of little techniques that you can use to blend colours and sort of bring life to your pieces.
You can sort of rub into that, brilliant. And you can dip it in again if you want. You can do a bit more.
And you can also dip into water, and that gives you a shade of the colour that's on your brush.
Why did you do that? It's always lovely for you all to see each other's work because there's so many different ways of using all the different materials. I hope you've all really enjoyed it.
So if you could make it to a workshop, that would be amazing. Alternatively, grab a starter kit. It's got all the bits you need, plus a lesson plan to work through.